If your washer is making this noise at the start of the wash cycle, yeah, the one you're hearing right now, then the first thing you need to check, and very likely replace, is the shift actuator. That noise is coming from the shift actuator because it's not actually shifting. It's trying to, but it's failing. The internal motor keeps engaging over and over, but it never fully snaps into position. And unless you manually move that lever and get it to click down where it's supposed to be, the washer may not start washing, or it may not finish the cycle. That's why I recommend you swap out the part. In most cases, it runs between $20 and $40. I'll drop a link to the recommended replacement for most Whirlpool washer models on Amazon so you can check the current price. This is a very simple DIY repair that you can do right at home, and I'll show you exactly how in just a moment.